Do you ever feel like your home is slowly transforming into a bustling doggy daycare? You see fur scattered in every nook and corner but are at a loss on how to keep it all clean? Yes, we understand your plight, dog owners. Love for your four-legged companions is undeniable, but it's equally true that ensuring cleanliness can be an uphill task. Battling a never-ending mass of fur on your furniture or tirelessly wiping muddy paw prints off your floors may seem like an everyday story. Let's not even get started on the distinct pet odors that seem to take over your living space, irrespective of your cleaning frequency. These are just a few of the familiar trials and tribulations dog owners encounter. Don't lose hope, this isn't an unreachable goal. You don't have to choose between a clean home and your pet dog. And here's why. We are armed with practical and uncomplicated cleaning tips that can help you maintain a clean home even with your furry friend around. So put those worries aside, we've got you covered. First up, let's tackle the fur. It's on the couch, it's on your clothes, it's everywhere. Now, we all know that our furry friends have a knack for leaving their mark wherever they go, and while it's a sign of their love and presence, it's not always the most welcomed decoration. So let's delve into some fur-busting tips. Tip 1. Regular grooming. It's an essential part of pet care. Brushing your dog's fur not only keeps them looking their best, but also helps to reduce the amount of fur they shed around your home. Depending on the breed and coat type, you might want to brush your dog daily or at least a few times a week. And don't forget, grooming is also a great bonding time with your furry friend. Tip 2. Ever heard of a lint roller? This little tool can be your best friend when it comes to fur. Just roll it over your furniture and voila, the fur is gone. It's also handy for a quick fix on your clothes before heading out. Tip 3. Invest in a good vacuum cleaner. Look for one specifically designed to handle pet hair. These vacuums come with special attachments and have stronger suction to deal with stubborn fur. It's a bit of an investment, but trust me, it pays off in the long run. Now here's a bonus tip. Consider using washable and removable furniture covers. They can be a real lifesaver. When they get furry, just take them off, toss them in the wash, and your furniture is as good as new. Remember, managing fur is all about consistency. Make it a routine to groom your dog, use the lint roller regularly, and vacuum your home. The more often you do these things, the less fur you'll have floating around. With these fur-busting tips, you'll have a fur-free home in no time. And let's be honest, while we love our dogs to the moon and back, a little less fur in our lives can be a breath of fresh air. So, get to it and enjoy the fur-free life. Next, let's talk about those muddy paw prints that seem to magically appear on your clean floors. It's one of those things that seems inevitable when you share your home with a four-legged friend. But don't worry, there are plenty of ways to tackle this issue and keep your floors looking fresh. One of the easiest solutions is to place a washable mat by the door. This serves as a catch-all for that excess dirt and grime that your dog may bring in from the great outdoors. Encourage your dog to sit on the mat before they venture any further into the house. This can be accomplished with a simple command, like wait, or by using a treat as a reward for their patience. Over time, your dog will learn to associate the mat with entering the house, and those pesky paw prints will become less of a problem. But what about the times when your dog bypasses the mat, or when the mat just doesn't catch all the dirt? That's where keeping a towel handy comes in. A quick wipe down of your dog's paws can work wonders in preventing those muddy tracks from appearing on your floors. It may seem like a small task, but it can make a major difference. Lastly, we have to talk about cleaning. Even with the best preventative measures in place, you're bound to have some paw prints show up from time to time. That's okay. The key is to use a pet-friendly floor cleaner that won't harm your dog or leave behind any harmful residues. There are plenty of options out there, from natural enzyme cleaners to specially formulated pet cleaning solutions. These can help to break down the dirt and grime, leaving your floors looking as good as new. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in preventing paw print problems. By implementing these simple solutions, you'll be well on your way to maintaining a clean and happy home for both you and your furry friend. Finally, let's address the not-so-pleasant topic of pet odors. Now, it's no secret that our canine companions, as much as we love them, can sometimes bring a distinct aroma into our homes. Not to worry, though, there are a few effective ways to combat this. Firstly, regular bathing of your dog is key. A clean dog equals a clean-smelling home. Remember, use a shampoo that's specifically formulated for dogs. Next up, washing your pet's bedding frequently is a must. This is often a hidden source of that lingering pet smell. Now let's talk about air purifiers. They can work wonders in freshening up your living spaces. They help filter out pet dander and odors, making the air cleaner and fresher. Lastly, pet-friendly odor neutralizers are a great choice. They're designed to eliminate pet odors without harming your furry friend. By taking these measures, you'll have a fresh-smelling home that's welcoming to both humans and pets. So, to quickly recap, we've covered some great tips for maintaining a clean home with dogs. We've tackled the fur dilemma, suggesting daily grooming and utilizing furniture covers and vacuum cleaners specifically designed for pet hair. We've also addressed the paw print predicament. Remember, regular paw cleaning and having a doormat at every entrance can greatly reduce the trail of muddy paw prints. We touched on the issue of pet odors too. Regular bathing, using odor-neutralizing cleaning products, and air purifiers can all help keep your home smelling fresh. It's all about making cleanup part of your daily routine and using the right tools and products. Managing a clean home with a dog doesn't have to be a constant struggle. It's about embracing a few simple habits and maintaining a routine. With these practical tips, a clean home and a happy dog are both possible. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. Happy cleaning!